Hi, and welcome to Gtmhub. Today we're going to explore the main modules in Gtmhub and some of their important workflows. We will start off with the basics and briefly go through the settings section. Here you can select which of the currently available languages your Gtmhub users will be taking advantage of. You can also choose which of them can own objectives, key results, or tasks, as well as limit how many they can have. On to the main course. When you first log into the software, the first page you will see is the hub. It can be best described as your personal homepage to Gtmhub. This page will show you only the OKRs that are relevant to you and the teams that you've been assigned to. This allows you to focus on reviewing and updating only OKRs that require your attention. The beauty of the hub comes from the fact that you can conduct most of your OKR workflow from this page alone. Once you have your OKRs set and assigned throughout the organization, the hub will become the primary place for updating and tracking your OKRs. Using the filters option, you can create and save customized filters that contain specific teams or employees' OKRs so that you can quickly browse and update those through the hub. To update a key result in the hub, just click on the Update button and then click on Update. Depending on your company OKR process, you can also select confidence level before updating. In the hub, you can also easily associate your tasks with OKRs. You can create new tasks for yourself or others, see them in a list or Kanban view, and manage the status of your tasks. You can also add tasks without attaching them to OKRs. But this view right here only comes after we've set our OKRs in the platform. And the way that we do that is from the OKRs section. OKRs will be crafted and managed in Gtmhub, and they are created and edited from the Manage Sessions button. Each session has different options like time frame color, status, permissions, and it can be aligned under another session. Once we're in the respective session, you will see a list of every OKR in the session and their details. We can see the owner of the objective, tags associated with the OKR, key results and their owners, the progress of each key result, and the overall progress of the objective. We found the best way to use this page is through the filters, and the way that we can focus on a particular set of OKRs based on any criteria we'd like. The Settings and Actions menu gives you some additional options like bulk assigning and tagging, deleting, moving and cloning objectives to another session, and exporting this information to Excel. This is a great format for viewing OKRs across the organization. Our alignment tool is a highly visual tool that allows you to see relationships between OKRs within a session, but also across sessions. The screen is highly flexible and can be used in many ways. Navigating the alignment screen is done through clicking and dragging on the screen and zooming in and out with a scroll. We have plenty of additional options like filtering by objective owner and tags, selecting which sessions you want to display and cross-session linking, choosing between the view that best suits your needs, drag and drop alignment for quicker linking of child and parent objectives, expanding and collapsing all objective tabs, and more. Of course, in order to use the objectives and alignment pages, you'll first need some OKRs in the system. To add a new objective while on the OKRs menu, simply click Add New Objective to get started. Our first requirement is to add a name. Here we will create an objective called Make Our Product Fly. Then you can add an optional description which gives you more background to what your objective is about. One of the mandatory fields is the owner of the objective. This can either be assigned to a team or an individual on the account. And if you're crafting your own objective, the easiest way to assign it to yourself is to click on Assign to Me. Then you can select to align this objective with another objective or to make your objective private. Once we have an objective, we can add key results by clicking on Add Manual Key Result and adding the necessary information in the window. Type of key result, unit, initial and target number, short description, owner, and choose whether we want to set the specific deadline for this key result and if we want to cascade it. Cascading is a function in Gtmhub which allows multiple people to contribute towards the achievement of one key result. This means that we will be able to cascade a key result into a key result of a sub-objective. For the moment, Gtmhub allows cascading key results of the should increase type only. You can refer to our help section to find out more on how to cascade key results. This module is focused more on the human aspect of having goals and is mainly used by HR teams. Starting with announcements, Here is where you and your team can see important announcements from your administrators and stay up to date on the latest OKR related topics. From the employees section, you can see the list of employees which you can then add into teams from the teams section. Once you have all your teams and their parent teams, an organization chart will be automatically created for you and in the organization menu. And one of our coolest features is the marketplace, where you can browse and take advantage of constantly expanding library of OKR models. You can select one of the available ready-to-use OKR models and directly integrate them into your Gtmhub account. You can then also modify them as you see fit for your business model. All Gtmhub users can submit their OKRs to us if they want to have them publicly available in the marketplace. We review each submission, and if approved, they're uploaded and made available to the Gtmhub community through the marketplace. This was a quick product walkthrough of Gtmhub's main workflows. If you need more clarifications, don't hesitate to contact us through our website's live chat. And you can finalize your Gtmhub experience by taking advantage of our greatest strengths: insights, reports, and automations. To do so, just get in touch with our sales team for an enterprise account trial.